Welcome to our channel. Understanding Fire Stick streaming codes and their legitimacy is important for safe streaming. Follow these step-by-step instructions to stay secure. Step 1. Recognize that legitimate apps don't require secret codes to access content. Official apps are available directly in the Amazon App Store. Step 2. Understand that downloader codes often refer to URLs used in the downloader app to sideload applications not in the official store. Step 3. Be extremely cautious about which URLs you use. Only download from official developer websites to avoid malware and piracy. Step 4. Know that apps promising unlock codes for premium content are facilitating piracy or are outright scams. Legitimate content requires proper payment. Step 5. Check if the app or service is discussed in mainstream tech publications. Legitimate services are reviewed by sites like CNET, Tech Radar, or Tom's Guide. Step 6. Remember that legitimate streaming requires either subscriptions, ads, or cable authentication. There's no legal way to get premium content completely free. Step 7. Protect your device by only installing apps from trusted sources. Unofficial apps can contain malware that steals personal information. Step 8. Support content creators by using legal services. Paying for entertainment ensures continued production of shows and movies you love. Don't fall for codes promising free premium access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.